Edge 1030 with Trendline popularity routing uses billions of miles of Garmin Connect ride data to help you find the best on- and off-road rides traveled by your fellow cyclists. The best part about Trendline is that it works automatically whenever you generate or select a route. If you'd like to plan a course on your device, get started by selecting an activity profile from the home screen. Tap on Navigation, then Courses. From there, select Course Creator or Round Trip Course if you want Edge to take you back to your starting point. Trendline generates route options based on the ride profile you selected. It also includes road, off-road, gravel, and more. With help from you and riders around the world, Trendline is designed to learn from your data in order to update and improve its routing algorithms. What can you do to help? Make sure you accurately define your rides before or after they're uploaded to Garmin Connect. Whether you ride on road, mountain, gravel, or anything else, you'll be helping the community improve with every ride you classify and upload. That's all for now. To learn more about riding with Edge 1030, make sure to watch the other videos in this series or head over to the new course creator on Garmin Connect to start planning your next ride.